When we often dream of getting a change within us, the desire is so strong that we do too much too soon. But doing too much too soon does not let us sustain the habits for a longer time. Very often it happens that we get these bursts of motivation to learn new things and develop new habits. For example, last year I remember that I got this sudden burst of motivation one day to learn how to play the guitar. I got my guitar and I practiced for 4 to 5 hours for 2 days. And on the third day, of course, I didn't even feel like picking up my guitar. Because I invested all my motivation and energy in just 2 days of 4 hours practice each day. Thankfully, there is a solution to subside this tendency. It is called the 2-minute rule. When we have these sudden bursts of motivation to develop new habits and learn new things, we should remember that it should not take us more than 2 minutes to do that activity. The idea is to make our habits as easy as possible. The reason why it needs to take less than 2 minutes to do that activity is because we need to start small in order for the habit to be established. After a habit is established, then it can be improved. But the habit must be established first before being improved. Don't try to do the best while forming a habit. Don't try to start perfect. Go easy, bro. Take little steps. Go from good, better, and then best. The secret to sustaining a habit is to stay below the point where it starts to feel like work. Stop the habit when you're feeling good, not when you're exhausted. If you stop at an exhausted state, then your mind will make a memory of it and you wouldn't like to repeat the habit the next time. The key rule is standardize the habit before optimizing it. Standardize before optimizing. If I have the desire of learning how to play the guitar, I first need to standardize it by at least playing for 7 to 8 minutes every day. After I've done that, after I've started playing every day for 2 or 3 weeks, then I can optimize it. Then I can start playing for 30 minutes. Then I can start to take guitar lessons from a professional coach. But first, I need to be regular. I need to show up to do that activity every single day. Here's the catch. We need to start small and we need to start easy. Don't go hard on yourself in the beginning. We do need to go hard, don't get me wrong, but not in the beginning. We'll go hard eventually when we are established in that habit. From that point, we'll start to scale the habit. Here is an example of scaling a habit. Say I want to develop the habit of waking up early. I need to divide this habit into 4 phases. Phase 1. It could be coming home from work by 8 p.m. every day. Once this is established, then we can move to phase 2, which is keeping our phone outside the bedroom by 9 p.m. When we are able to achieve this for a few days, then we move on to phase 3, which is keeping our laptop out by 9 p.m. And then eventually when we have done this for a few more days, then we move on to phase 4, which is the actual goal, sleep by 9 p.m. Just like this, we need to prepare ourselves to reach our goal step by step. Achieving our goals is like a ladder. We can't go to the last step straight away. We need to go to first, second, third, fourth, and then eventually the last step. Don't try to go all out on the first day and see yourself quitting the habit on day number 3 like myself. Go easy, bro. Start small. Because remember, good things take time to come. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.